Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. I hope you are doing well. Listen, I wanted to come on here and kind of shoot this quick video to go over a quick webinar. And it's a free training put on over by the guys and gals over at MLSP. And the title of the free training is How to Unlock the 5 Keys to Grow Any Online Business. Yes, even yours. And as a bonus, you're going to get an accurate 5-minute business accountability quiz reveals if you will hit your goals in 2019. So here we are in March of 2019, and you're probably wondering, like, hey, am I going to hit those goals that I set maybe December 31st or towards the end of the year? Then I think this will be something that you need to take advantage of and that you need to be on and you come with pen and paper and take advantage of. So I'm going to kind of go over a little bit. The webinar will be on this Wednesday, the 17th at 9 p.m. That's Eastern Standard Time. So if you are watching this video after April 17th, 2019, then of course it won't be a live webinar, but there may be in the future maybe a click to a replay of the webinar at the bottom of this. So here you will learn from my good friend Norbert Olowitz, who is actually Marketing Genius. He's also one of the co-founders over at Miley System Pro. So what you'll learn this Wednesday, you will learn the 5 skills required to hit your goals in 2019. You will learn the 3 dangerous beliefs that will steal the success that you deserve this year, the 3 factors to ensure your financial freedom and financial breakthrough in 2019, and also the jaw-dropping 5-minute business accountability quiz that will predict your future. So, if you want to register for this, I will leave a link at the bottom so that you can register for this amazing webinar put on by my good friend Norbert Olowitz. Norbert's been in the industry since 2006. And those first 6 years in his business as an entrepreneur, he absolutely failed. But something changed for him. And what changed for him was something that I'm pretty sure he's going to reveal on this free training, this free webinar this Wednesday night. So again, the link is at the bottom. Register for the webinar. Get on the webinar. Bring pen and paper. Invite some friends. Because it's going to be one that'll really help you guys in 2019. Look, I'm going to be there, and I'm going to be there with pen and paper, and I'm going to be there learning. So I definitely suggest that you be there as well. Guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I also want to remind you that if you come to this channel for the first time, this channel basically is all about entrepreneurship. So if you're in affiliate marketing, internet marketing, network marketing, you'll find something on here to help you grow your business. You'll find systems and tools and resources to help you become the best entrepreneur, to help you become a profitable entrepreneur, especially today and in the years to come. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Also, if you like what you see here, do subscribe to my channel. Also, click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Peace.